Hello my rabbits and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see how to make fish fillets with a creamy sauce. It's simply divine and very easy to make. Let's go my bunnies. First, we will gently heat our first part of butter. When it begins to form, add garlic, onions and carrots and cook gently. Add the bay leaf. Then the fish fillets. Here I choose halibut, but any white fish will do. We pour the water. Then we salt. Bring to the boil, and after about 4 minutes, remove the fillets. We add the mushrooms and let the broth reduce by 3/4 in order to concentrate the aromas. When it is reduced, we add raw cream. And we will let it boil for about 1 minute over medium heat. Pour the preparation into a suitable container and blend using a blender. Add the second part of butter and again blend and the mixer until the butter is completely incorporated. Add 2 pinches of chopped parsley. Dress your dish nicely and it's ready. Here are my rabbits. Taste me this fish and you will tell me the news. Now, I'm leaving to prepare new delicious recipes for you and I'll see you soon. À très bientôt mes amis pour une prochaine recette.